Welcome to the Science Centers of Andhra Pradesh, where curiosity meets innovation. Established by the government of Andhra Pradesh, these hubs in Kadapa, Anantapuram, Chittoor, Eluru, and Nellore are transforming how government school students learn science, ready to serve a wide network of schools across the state. Kadapa, 36 mandals, 306 high schools. Anantapuram, 31 mandals, 254 high schools. Chittoor, 31 mandals, 354 high schools. Eluru, 27 mandals, 255 high schools. Nellore, 38 mandals, 323 high schools. AP Samagra, Shiksha made an MOU with the Agastya International Foundation as knowledge partners to leverage the impact of the science centers. Beginning this academic year, the science centers bring in approximately 80 to 100 students daily from one or two high schools. From 10:30 in the morning until evening, they are organized in a hub and spoke model. One group participates in experiential learning activities, engaging in hands-on tasks in physics, biology, and math. Another group explores different science models, exhibits and demonstrations by the curator and igniters from Agastya International Foundation, Kuppam. For lunch, the midday meal is provided either through Akshaya Patra or with MDM agencies nearby. After lunch, students continue exploration and learning. To measure their progress, a baseline exam and an end-line exam are conducted. To support this operational plan, girl students utilize APSRTC's free bus scheme, and for boys' transportation, AP Samagra Shiksha has allocated Rs 18 to 20,000 from the primary exposure visit budget. In addition, one Aya, one sanitation worker, and one watchman are appointed at each center. As of now, 5 science centers are ready for the operational stage. Special days like National Science Day, Ozone Day, and Environmental Day bring additional activities such as competitions, science talks, and exhibitions, building both knowledge and confidence. Their mission is to spark young minds, nurture problem solvers, and create a scientifically empowered generation. Because a future-ready Andhra Pradesh begins with science, and the spark starts here.